Let's explore the world of network troubleshooting. In this session, you will learn about common networking issues and how to solve them in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's begin. Let's take a look at some common network issues. First, connectivity problems, which include no internet access, intermittent connections, or complete network failures. Next, we have slow network performance, characterized by high latency, low bandwidth, and sluggish data transfer speeds. Then comes domain name system or DNS resolution issues, where you cannot resolve domain names to Internet Protocol or IP addresses. And finally, hardware failures such as router, switch, or cable malfunctions that affect network operations. Now, let's discuss essential diagnostic tools for network troubleshooting. First up is the ping command, used for connectivity testing. In the command line interface, you can type ping-google.com or ping-c for 8.8.8 to test basic connectivity and measure round-trip time. Next is the traceroute command, used for route tracing. Type traceroute.google.com or traceroute 8.8 to track the path packets take to reach their destination. Next, we'll look at tools for domain name system, or DNS and network information. Use the nslookup or dig command for DNS lookup. Type nslookup google.com or dig at 8.8example.com to query domain name system, or DNS servers, to resolve domain names and troubleshoot domain name system, or DNS issues. Use the IP protocol configuration or ipconfig command for checking network configuration. Type IP protocol configuration/all or ipconfig- to display network interface configuration and Internet Protocol or IP settings. Let's focus on the scenario where there is no internet access. Here are the initial diagnosis steps you should follow. First, check physical connections to ensure all cables are properly connected. Second, verify network adapter status to make sure it is enabled and functioning correctly. Third, test local network connectivity to determine if the issue is with the local network or the internet connection. Fourth, check dynamic host configuration protocol, or DHCP, and Internet Protocol, or IP configuration to ensure the device is receiving the correct network settings. Here are some solutions and commands to resolve internet access issues. First, reset the network stack. Type IP protocol configuration/release, then IP protocol configuration/renew, and finally IP protocol configuration/flushes to release and renew the Internet Protocol, or IP address, and clear the domain name system, or DNS cache. Next, reset the network adapter. Type netch winsock reset and netshint IP reset to reset network adapters and transmission control protocol or Internet Protocol, that is TCP/IP stack configuration. Next, let's discuss slow network performance. Here are some common causes. Bandwidth congestion occurs when there is too much traffic on the network. High network latency refers to delays in data transfer. Hardware limitations can occur due to outdated or underperforming network devices. Wireless interference from other devices can disrupt wireless network signals. Here are some symptoms of domain name system, or DNS resolution issues. Websites won't load by name, but Internet Protocol, or IP addresses work directly. Slow website loading times, even when the internet connection is working. And server not found errors when trying to access websites. Here are some solutions for domain name system or DNS issues. First, clear the domain name system or DNS cache. Type IP protocol configuration/flushes or systemd resolve double-flush caches to clear cached domain name system or DNS entries that may be corrupted or outdated. Then, change the domain name system or DNS servers. Use reliable public domain name system, or DNS servers such as Google's public domain name system, or DNS with a primary server of 8.8 and a secondary server of 8.4, or Cloudflare's domain name system, or DNS with 1.1 for better resolution. Here are some best practices for network troubleshooting. Document the network configuration to have a clear understanding of the network setup. Start with basic connectivity tests to identify the scope of the issue. Work from the physical layer to the application layer to systematically diagnose the problem. Keep logs of troubleshooting steps to track progress and avoid repeating efforts. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.